because that's your starter chain, and then that's the extra 3 stitches. Turn your work, and then you half double crochet into the chain 3, but that will be a chain 6, but starter chain, but you get into that. It'll be classed as chain 3 anyway. If you're a crochet, you would understand. Then you chain 3 again, you go into the chain 3 space with a half double crochet, you chain 3 again, and you go into the chain 3 space again, next one, with a half double crochet, chain 3, half double crochet into the chain 3. You do that all the way till the end. Oh. This will make the hood afterwards. You will fold it, because you'll do the hood and rows, then you'll fold it, and then you've got that, and you'll just slip stitch or sew this together. The body part is 30 rows of mesh stitch. Then you do the 2 panels. Those are the 15 rows. Always start with a foundation, then it won't be as tight. Yeah.
There's a lot of buzzwords going around like quantum marketing or quantum meditation. It's not all about that. It's about making micro steps. Do what you actually love. Watching all this content won't get you anywhere. You have to get up and actually do something. Look at my crochet, look at my crochet journey, and listen to this.
Months, really. It's been a while, ain't it? But guess what? You're absolutely beautiful. I love your work. And your craft work is absolutely on point. You can tell all the practice you put into it. And guess what? Be proud I am for knowing you.
I know you're somewhere out there, somewhere far away. I want you, babe. I want you, babe. But maybe think I'm crazy.